guys, today I'm giving you tons of ideas in this video. I wanted to stack it up with the best Dollar Tree Halloween DIYs. They killed it this year, no pun intended.
It really looks like blood.
Looks super good. First, this super easy witch wreath. The Dollar Tree now carries giant wreath forms.
This is a brand new product.
I love all of the boas this year. They have tons in all different colors. It takes about 2 minutes to wrap one of these around the wreath. They also have tons of wood signs this year. These are super easy to break apart and stick on the wreath. The best way to do this is with hot glue and Dollar Tree zip ties. This witch wreath is one of my absolute favorites. It is a wow on your front door for under $10. And you guys, it is big. The wood signs they have this year are so great standalone. They also have these awesome tombstones that I'm so excited to put out on the front yard. And the stakes that the tombstones come with are not great. But if you save those old stakes that you ripped off for other projects, this is the perfect way to really securely put them in the ground. That's a great tip that I wish we would have had last year. If you take nothing away from this video, I hope you try this next idea. Next time you're in Dollar Tree, pick up 2 placemats and glue them together. Add an additional strip of hot glue to the top because this makes perfect monogram flags. We used a Cricut machine. I would highly suggest doing iron-on Cricut or some sort of iron-on decal. You can find these at any craft store or on Etsy or make them yourself. This one is Harry Potter inspired, but you could do anything you want, including a monogram. And it's literally $2. Next is a super easy frame craft. I recently invested in a Cricut machine. I got it on sale from Amazon, but you can buy these decals on Etsy or even find them at the Dollar Tree. Personally, I'm a huge Harry Potter fan and I think it's awesome for Halloween. So my assistant and I put these decals right on the frames, and then we hot glued the glass into the frame and connected with Dollar Tree ribbon.
We are fully representing Dollar Tree. Down to the Band-Aid, Jess.
Oh, I love it. I love this DIY so much. Oh.
Next is a super easy Halloween display that you could take in any direction. One of the best products from Dollar Tree is their mesh cloth. Buy a couple of these, and we decided to combine it with some Harry Potter books to make this total Hogwarts inspiration. They also sell glass bottles, and you can print out little labels. This entire document is a PDF for you. It's totally free. I'll be sure to link it down below, and cut it out.
So this is super easy. Just take an ink pad. You can find these at the dollar store, and then just go over the edges and it will look singed.
Dollar Tree also sells small bottles of matte Mod Podge. Stick this right on the glass and combine with rocks or sand. Again, all of these products are just $1. You can also do this with the little mini frames to add to your display.
It drips down the side. Yeah.
Ooh, that's super cool.
It really looks like blood.
Combine it with the mini pumpkins that they sell, some of the fun little rats, and this is such a cool display that is definitely a conversation starter.
We're just doing this. We're gonna go all the way. We're gonna change this out. This wall sign, I think, is gonna be my favorite of all the stuff we did. Don't you think, Jess?
I think so.
Yay.
What I love about starting DIYs and just stepping out and trying the thing is that as you're working, you get inspired in new ways. And I was totally inspired by the hats and the witch legs that they have this year. We just hot glued these right onto the board and added some Harry Potter magic using the Cricut machine. This looks so cool on the wall, and it was just a few dollars. If this video inspired you, you leave it a big thumbs up, and I know you want more Dollar Tree DIYs for the holidays. I love this community so much. Make sure you join the Dime Tribe so I can catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.
This is my total jam.
There's Griffin. Oh my goodness. I have puppy fever. Oh.
So, like, if somebody told you that this guy was a vampire, would you not believe it?
That just Dracula.
We gotta keep him around.
Can I have my ribbon back?
No, but I'm trying to wrap it on my grass.
But I need my ribbon back.